Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing my Kuckian collection unboxing. I just got this in today and I'm excited about that. So I haven't even opened it yet, so let's get opening it. John Kuckian is a YouTuber that is a drama channel. You can look him up. And he's just funny sometimes. He has fun with the drama that goes on in the beauty community. I like watching him. I don't really even know how I got to find him, but they make this hard, don't they? Okay, I think I got some of it, hopefully. Get this in. Okay. So inside the box, I have this little booklet. It says it's a guide. Let's go through it together. It shows his different color liquid lipsticks and pencils. Yeah, and it just says everything that comes with everything. Ooh, that purple looks good, doesn't it? He was bringing out his new collection, and he had what was called Pandora'S box, and you didn't know what you were getting. So let's check this out. So I think it's the full collection. There's a lot of hair. That's why I got this trash can right behind me. So I'll clean all of that up later. So inside I got this box here. And then I got this box here. And that is all that was in the box. So let's see what else is in here. So let's open the box I put on top first. Okay. So what's in here are his crushed metallic pigments. So let's open it and let's see. His packaging is really cute. So they come in these little pans right here. This says salvage, and it looks like a purple color. And there it is. So there's the first one. If you want me to swatch it, which I know some of you do, I'm going to swatch it live. Well, of course it's going to be live because I never edit any of my videos. So let's just go right here on the back of my. Wow. Wow. Do you see that? Wow. That's really beautiful. And this is supposed to be like a duochrome. And so it kind of has some pink in it. That's pretty. Okay. And it comes with a brush in this package right here. Let's see if I can get it out. It comes like double-sided, and it has Kuckian on it, and it feels very heavy. I know in some of his videos he said that the brushes in the liquid lipsticks are weighted. This one is called Titties. It's a copper type color. There we go, right next to salvage. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, even on camera, this one's a duochrome too. Look at that. That's nice. And then there's one more, and it's this orangey color called Shook. Let's see here. And we're gonna just take it on my finger there. Whew! Almost fell out. And we are just going to go right next to that one. Wow. Look at that. These are some nice pigments. Okay. Let's see, is there anything else in the box? I hear stuff. There's all this. Oh. Okay, so if you look in the box, there are some little fake diamonds, of course, but in there on the bottom. So that's the noise you're hearing. And here's 4 of his liquid lipsticks. We will look at those here in a bit. Ooh, these are some heavy duty crystals. Oh, okay. Whew, okay. And then the next box, let's see if they're all going to be liquid lipsticks. Oh, no. You get 2 sets. Wow. 2 sets. Hopefully not the same pigments of the... No. Okay, so it's his full collection. There's 8 different colors. Here's some more. I am not going to swatch them on my lips, because who has time for that? I don't have time, and because I don't edit my videos. No one wants to watch an hour-long video of me wiping my mouth off and then trying to... Okay, so the boxes are both the same, and this says, "Hi gorgeous, congratulations on your Kuckian purchase. This makeup is designed to make you feel as special and important as you are. We love you." So, I just told you what's in the box. So, there's 8 colors. In this, and then I got 2 of these. So, for 6 crushed metallic pigments and 8 liquid lipsticks, full size. We're gonna look at them for I think it was $99. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so the first one we're gonna swatch is this Kuckian Rebel. That's the name of the color. Long wear kiss proof liquid lipstick. I will link his video down in the description box so you can watch them actually on other people's lipsticks. So here's what it looks like. I like this packaging. It's really nice. Nice to hold. Here is the tube. And I am just going to swatch them. Right here. How am I going to do this? Yeah, I'm just going to hold my arm up like this and swatch it on my arm. So here's the first one. This one is Rebel, right? Rebel. Wow, that is really nice. Look at that. Wow, and these smell delicious. Smells delicious. So you get this in the box, and then you also get 2. He said you get 2. One if you want to share, this one right here, if you want to share, and this other one if you wanted to be fancy for makeup artists and do some kind of lip art or whatever with it. So that is really nice. It's almost completely dried down there. So we have Rebel. And then the next one is called Kerosene. It's this nice bluish color. This one also has the extra applicators. I'm holding them back because I don't want to get them out. Ooh, look at that. Look at that color. Look at that. So let's do it right next to Rebel. Wow, look at that. Do you guys see that? That's amazing. Alright, I really like this one. I might wear this at Christmas time. So we have kerosene. Now these are available to buy individually if you don't want to get a full package set of them. The next one we have is Simi. It's a little joke that he did on his channel. So if you want to look that up, I think he actually trademarked it. Here's Simi, and I like this because it says right here, right on the top, if it'll focus, right there, it says the name. Let's see if I can focus it. It says the name of the lipstick right on top. This one also has the extra applicators. And here is Simi, right next in line. It's a really nice color. So I'm just going to go through these quickly. No more chit chat. Let's just get them on, get them all done. Next we have Dinner at 8. I'm going to say this is like your red lipstick. This one also has the applicators. Dinner at 8. See that? So, look at that. Ooh. I don't know if I'll ever wear this, but sorry about that, guys. My phone was acting up and I had to switch to my iPad, and I'll just splice them together. Oh, they kind of melded because I was working around, but here's that Dinner at 8. Let's go to Mayfair. That is the next one on the list. It looks like this one comes with extra applicators. I think they all do. So here's Mayfair right next to Dinner. I'm going to put it down here because you see that smudge. I want to get it off the smudges. So it's a really like nudie color there. I might like this one the best. I'm into nudes at the moment, but I might go bold for the holiday season. We'll see. The next one is Peppa. On his channel, he has this pig, Peppa the pig. So she got a lipstick this time around, and it's this, I'm going to say it's going to be a pink color because she is a pig. Oh yeah, it's going to be a pink. Here we go. Right next to Mayfair. It's another nude. Pinky nude. I think I'll like that. So Peppa. See? Peppa. And then the next one is called Forbidden Forest. This might be one I use on Christmas Day just to give that extra because we're going to be going to my aunt's house. Forbidden Forest. Look at that. These look so luxurious. And here we go here with Forbidden Forest. Look at that. Oh. Whew. That looks good. Can't wait to try these out. And then the last is called Root. And this looks like a really nudie color too. Root. There. And here we go. Swatching that. Yeah, that's more of a brown nude. Ooh, got bright. There. So that's all 8 of the liquid lipsticks. We have, I'll go down my arm. We have, let me turn a little bit. We have, this one is Rebel, Kerosene, Simi, Dinner at 8, Mayfair, Peppa, Forbidden Forest, and Brute. So there are all those liquid lipsticks. Now, my opinion is that they go on really nicely. They dry down very well. Most of them are dry already, and I don't see them moving. Just the very beginning of when I put them on had just a little extra, but overall, I mean, well, these are the ones here, this is the one I didn't. So, yeah, I'm really liking these. I might be doing a tutorial maybe on the eye pigments, the metallic crushed pigments here. We'll see. Just let me know in the comments if that's something you would like to see. But so, yes, this was a Pandora'S box. It was a mystery box. And I got all 8 of his new liquid lipsticks in 2 sets of the crushed pigments. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.